Banang penbha banang peniar shishu bat ru banang pensuk shishu ya ke Jingtei jong ka kanhon ki riurang ba hari Bhoi district ha ka wei kanhon ya ka blatip kum ka ri Bhoi dorbar mentang sengi kane ka kanhon kalayo ban sakhi ya ke jingpli ya maunong rim ban tei ya ke jika trikam lane ka office trikam jong kane ka kanhon hari Bhoi watla ya kane ka ying la dep ban sedang ya ke jing pentrei henry ban pensa jingken mau mentang sengi labu ya maunong rim ha ka bakum gedak jong ka jing sedang la pli perda ya maunong rim da usri Raja Brahma MCS ubri project director jong DRDA Bhoi district ha ka jing sakhilang jong ba ileng do ubri block development officer komsning CNR di block ha ka jing sakhilang ru jong kinong ilam ki bahak madu jong ri Bhoi dorbar kentup nadu presiden uba RP Shadap u secretary uba GS Shadap u advisor uba RR Makdo lembat kiwe kumban sukdeu Khyndiat balatei ya kene office trikam jong ri Bhoi dorbar ha ka jinglut ke basipho lak tengka na ka wei galat jingrap ke balatip kum ka MP lat ya ka balapan mang jingrap da ke jingrap jong Dr. WR Kharlukhi
this foundation will lay the foundation for the generation of Bhoi district. It will give peace, prosperity and development for all the faith. Thank you. Tama, so scam, ma, one jumain ba 10 point something look and umlele. This foundation will lay the foundation for the generation of Bhoi district. It will give peace, prosperity and development for all the faith. Thank you.
Great blessing.
Foundation district.
Tiba semen itu dah habis bisa. Agak ribut orang. Bisa.
Now I'm confused. Belong this the people whose age are 50 plus, 60 plus.
Yes.
They say, "Oh, age is just a number. It's a mind and brain. They're young. They're young, dynamic, and they walk, like extraordinary people. Nado belong video, uba sarap awan mo. Ngala ada bio taka sanction. Sir Dr. WR Kharlukhi ada sanction mensenari bo. Tengah aku mau video ru nado mencuangi. Ni wat lat. Mo ke skim ne heru ngin pinkop mo men ai dorbar mo. Ka ketien melong Bhoi dorbar. Just the name has its weight. Te ngipat ngiso un ongkum dong ini mdan ka skim e boro pinkop men ai Bhoi dorbar mo. Tengah, first of all, thanks ya Dr. WR Kharlukhi. Thank you, sir, being an MP Rajya Sabha member, and your feeling towards the development of Bhoi is immense, sir. Thank you, sir. Kumba who add up mo, Segi village for Molunde bring but Trikam sir belong sngewbha is beyond my imagination. Like one rat development, but coordination kumba block, Segi village, which is zero funded mo, belong Mentangi land target belong it is 100 crore projects. So a man with the quality belong for the development. Ham templai I perkat lah ya Bhoi. Tengah khubor ya MP sir so. Nah khubor shibon ya bar ni member jang ripon dan ba. Ya perlok ba don coklat bro. Ya ham templai video ru dan ni JE. Ya bora tengah kemen mentas ni dan rangkat MP and PI yang lat in play bo mau nongrim hang ni. It will be a memorable, day for me in my lifetime. It is a history making for me. I am part of it. The laying foundation stone for Bhoi dorbar is just a beginning. Let the project complete in as per the Kumba Yopisa. Then the things will follow. I'm very sure many other, other projects like Bongpi parking. For sanitation toilet, your electrification for solar and all will be in the pipeline. For water supply, we'll see it. Whatever we can incorporate, we'll help you. Since the name itself belong Kumba Bhoi dorbar, it's not only an asset to the headman, Kumba member, but it's an asset to Bhoi. there is a symbol of a love, a symbol of development for the people of the Bhoi district as a whole. And being a senior members from the Bhoi Darbar, we and myself PD from the district administration, on behalf of all, we are with you for the development and the coordination with you. We hope that the project goes well, and we are always there to help.
Ia kan kayi ngala kumno no hapo. Das lem lai banai ngi ban pindap no. Jadi kita yi ngurim dei bahaya ibarit he. Yang yun kambaro ngat bangalai kan do bang mistri ngai yong hapo kar banai ngan pendap tintai kan subu lai banai kan support. Bad hak